Changyu Machinery, Autoclaved Aerated Concrete Automatic Production Line, AAC Plant. Component of Autoclaved Aerated Concrete Automatic Production Line, AAC Plant. Preparation and storage of raw materials. Batching, mixing and pouring. Quad stop and curing. Cutting and grouping. Steam curing system. Finished products packing. The raw materials: cement, lime, sand, fly ash, water, aluminum powder, forming agent, gypsum, etc. The loader takes the massive lime into jaw crusher for crushing process. Then the crushed lime is sent into hopper by the bucket elevator, will be grinded by the grinding machine. After grinding, the powder is sent into the powder silo by the bucket elevator stored for use. The lime preparation process are equipped with the perfect dust removal equipment, ensure that the environment is not contaminated. The sand is transported to the ball mill by belt conveyor for wet grinding. After wet grinding, the slurry is stirred by the slurry mixer, then sent into the slurry tank by the slurry pump. And to prevent the slurry precipitation, the slurry mixer is continue working. The slurry is sent into the slurry scale tank by the delivery pipe. The slurry, powdery lime, cement, aluminum powder and so on is measured separately. The mixed material is well mixed by pouring mixer, then poured into the mold. The process of batching and pouring is controlled by computer, achieve the accurate measurement of raw materials. Pouring ferry pushcar takes the poured mold into the pre-curing room. The mixed slurry begins to expand, gradually hardened into lump green body. The green body must approach the cutting intensity. The mold drive system takes the green block body together with the mold to the underneath of a tilting hoister. The tilting hoister takes the green block body together with the mold to the stop position of number 1 cutting cart. The tilting hoister turns the mold together with the green block body 90 degrees in the air, then put it onto the number 1 curing cart. The tilting hoister releases the mold frame automatically. Side plate and the mold frame break away from each other completely. The tilting hoister hands mold frame to the returning track of a side plate, then reorganize mold. After reorganized mold, the tilting hoister takes the mold frame to the track of mold frame return system. The mold drive cart brings the reorganized mold onto the ferry pushcar for next pouring. After demold, the number 1 cutting cart takes the green block body to the cutter for longitudinal cutting. At the same time, the highness and thickness direction are cutted by cutting steel wire and a cutting blade. The cutting frame vertically cut the green block body from up to down. When vertical cutting, the cutting steel wire and the cutting frame cross-swing at the same time finish the vertical cutting. After finished cutting, the cutting cart replacement device starts to work. The cutting cart replacement device raises the cutted body together with the side plate. The number 1 cutting cart back to the original position to take the next green block body for cutting. The number 2 cutting cart brings the cutted grain block body together with the side plate to the hoist underneath of a semi-finished product. Semi-product clamp takes the cutted grain block body onto the overturning platform. The overturning device fastens the side plate automatically, then turn it over 90 degrees. When the overturning platform side flip, the waste material around the cutted block body will fall down automatically. The waste material can be recycled. The waste material is took into the waste material slurry storage tank for recycled using. Then the semi-product clamp hand the cutted grain block body onto the curing cart. The grouping ferry push cart transfers the curing cart to the grouping track in front of autoclave. The windlass brings the autoclave cart into the autoclave for steam curing. The aerated concrete from the unique crystal structure during steam curing. Steam curing time is 8 to 12 hours. After steam curing, the windlass pulls the block body with the curing cart out from the autoclave. The block body is sent to the underneath of a finished prop clamp by the autoclave ferry push car. The finished product clamp transfers the block body together with the side plate to the side plate return track, then set to the underneath of the separator. At the same time, the curing cart returns to the front of autoclave via the track, ready to take the new green block body. The separator of blocks layer separates the block body. After separation, the side plate together with the block body is sent to the underneath of a finished product clamp. The pallet loader places the plate automatically. The finished product clamp picks up the whole block body, then send it to wooden pallet of chain conveyor for finished product. After cleaning and oiling, the side plate returns to the underneath of the tilting hoister, waiting for the next grouping mode. The chain conveyor sent the block body through the following machine to finish grouping and packing. The device for combining block body, automatic bundle strapping machine, and automatic packaging unit. The forklift takes the package of blocks to a finished product storage area, stacked according to the specifications.